Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The GMC of 2026, as implied by its ambitious title, America's Best Motorhome, is a compelling vision of a recreational vehicle that is custom-built for the wide roads and varied landscapes of North America, with the goal of setting new standards in comfort, capability, and integrated technology. Although GMC has been a part of the motorhome industry since its classic models from the 1970s, this hypothetical 2026 model would take advantage of modern innovations to assert a dominant position. From the outside, the 2026 GMC America's Best RV would probably combine a sleek, contemporary RV body with sturdy truck stylings from GMC's Sierra and Hummer EV models. With a strong grille and possibly some GMC lighting features that give it a unique evening profile, expect a powerful presence. Aerodynamics would be given priority in the design to improve long-distance fuel economy, and sturdy construction appropriate for a range of road conditions would also be guaranteed. A feeling of openness and airiness would be enhanced by integrated, large windows that provide panoramic views and optimize natural light. Practical outdoor living would be supported by well-considered exterior elements like integrated utility hookups, plenty of easily accessible storage bays, and maybe even a retractable canopy system. The 2026 GMC's interior, in keeping with the America's Best goal, America's Best Motorhome would be painstakingly developed to provide an opulent and incredibly practical living area. The design would be as comfortable and roomy as possible, accommodating both intimate couples retreats and large family vacations. All throughout, premium materials would be employed, such as elegant yet long-lasting textiles, real wood accents, and sophisticated finishes that are both aesthetically beautiful and resistant to the demands of travel. There would be cozy, adaptable seating in the living room, possibly with movable parts to make dining or lounging areas. Gourmet meal preparation would be possible while on the go thanks to the kitchen's full suite of residential-grade appliances, generous surface space, and clever storage options. Comfortable bedding and well-considered amenities would make the sleeping quarters a priority for peaceful nights. The restrooms would be roomy and luxurious, offering a revitalizing experience. This motorhome would stand out for its seamless integration of technology. Navigation, entertainment, and car diagnostics would all be easily integrated with a full infotainment system. Reliable Wi-Fi and cellular boosters are examples of advanced connectivity choices that would guarantee residents stay connected, even in remote locations. For the larger motorhome, safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, improved blind spot monitoring, and a powerful 360-degree camera system for effortless parking and maneuvering would be modified based on GMC's advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, in their truck lineup. The heat, lighting, and entertainment systems would all be easily controlled via intuitive smart home controls. The foundation of the 2026 GMC for outstanding durability and towing capability, America's Best Motorhome would be a specially designed chassis that might make use of GMC's heavy-duty truck underpinnings. In order to keep up with changing automobile trends, the powertrain would probably prioritize a balance between strong performance and fuel economy, possibly integrating cutting-edge gasoline engines or even a hybrid option. For long-distance comfort on the various American highways and byways, a smooth and steady ride is essential, and a sophisticated suspension system would guarantee this. Essentially, the 2026 GMC, in order to provide unmatched comfort, state-of-the-art technology, and dependable performance, America's Best Motorhome would aim to be a comprehensive and inventive recreational vehicle that genuinely embodies a premium mobile living experience catered to the American environment.